everyone, you're welcome to today's video on how to create a new repository on GitHub. So before you can create a new repository, you should have a GitHub account. If you don't have one, please do create one. So we'll navigate our mouse to this plus sign over here and then we'll click on this. Then we can see new repository, import repository, new code space. So we'll click on new repository. Okay, so when we come here, we'll give our repository a name. So I'm going to say Barbara. Okay, so Barbara is available, and then I'll give a description. This is optional, but then you can go ahead and then give one saying this is a test for Barbara. Alright, so I'm going to make it public and then I'll add a readme file. So I'll click on create repository and then I'll just come here, I'll just click on this and then I can see that my repository has been created. So thank you so much for watching.